At USQ Springfield, we've installed flexible collaborative learning and teaching spaces designed to be used for both formal classroom teaching and collaborative group work. The spaces are located on level 4 of Building A and are open from 7 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. daily. They're also available to USQ students for informal group work whenever the room is not being used for classes. This video will show you the capabilities of the spaces and how to use them to make sure everyone has a good experience. To begin with, there are 2 and 3 seat tables in the rooms, and the rooms have 2 configurations: didactic and collaborative modes. In didactic mode, the tables are arranged in parallel rows facing the front of the room, with the 3-seaters against the wall, aligned with the small colour markers. The 2-seaters in the middle of the room are aligned as per the floor plans. In collaborative mode, the tables are grouped by colour code and positioned underneath the wall-mounted monitors. Remember, the position of the tables in both modes is determined by the colour code and is shown on plans displayed on the walls around the room. To move between modes, firstly move the chairs aside and then unlock the brakes on the wheels of the tables located on the outside legs. Push the tables into the configuration you want, following the plans located around the room. Tables are to be grouped and aligned according to colour. Magnets will lock the tables together and will fix the tables to the walls when in collaborative mode. Make sure the cables and power boards are hung up so they don't become jammed against the wall when moving to collaborative mode. The rooms are equipped with enhanced IT and audio-visual technologies for use by both lecturers and students. We will now cover how to use the room during a formal lecture or tutorial. When using the room in didactic mode, the AV system is used in the usual manner. If you would like to use the room in collaborative mode with the collaborative teaching software, you will need to activate the SmartSync software from the desktop of the main computer. You will also need to distribute a mouse and keyboard to each group. Each keyboard and mouse is matched to a workstation, W1, W2, etc., and will only work with that particular workstation. These are located in the lectern. Both the keyboard and the mouse are battery operated, so must be switched on and off for each session. Each workstation monitor is powered by a computer located in the racks at the front of the room. These computers will be turned on automatically during normal teaching hours, but can also be switched on manually if required. The key for the computer rack is located in the AV cabinet at the front of the room. The Smart software allows the teacher and groups to interact in a variety of ways. The teacher is able to broadcast content onto the main projector screen only, or the main projector screen and workstation screens. The teacher may also broadcast content from a workstation onto the main projector screen to allow the sharing and discussion of group work. Files can be transferred between workstations and the main computer, and there is a chat function too. Lecturers should contact ICT to receive training on how to use the system to its full capacity. Each workstation is equipped with the wall-mounted computer screen, a VGA cable, camera, and microphone, and a multi-port USB adapter. The workstation computers are loaded with all the software usually found on the student lab computers, as well as Skype and the SmartSync software. These features allow engagement with groups on other campuses or even other universities. The room is also equipped with 50 numeric clickers, which can be distributed to everyone in the room to further enhance the interactive experience. These clickers are stored in the AV cabinet in the front of the room, but the receiver is also compatible with the alphanumeric clickers, which can be borrowed from the library. We will now cover how to use the room outside of lecture or tutorial times, when USQ students are free to use the room for their own collaborative work. At these times, the screens do not operate off the computers in the racks, and you will need to bring your own laptop and connect it to the wall-mounted monitor using the VGA cable. This will automatically turn it on and display the screen from your laptop. If the laptop is not visible, simply use the wall-mounted monitor's remote control and change the AV input settings to VGA. Providing you have video conferencing software such as Skype loaded on your laptop, you will be able to use the camera and microphone as well. Students access their own accounts using the campus's wireless system. So that the room remains available for everyone to use, please comply with the following rules for use. Please be considerate for other users. Please leave the room in the collaborative mode when you have finished, unless otherwise directed. Food and drink are permitted outside of scheduled classes, but all areas must be left clean and tidy. Any losses, damages, or spills must be reported to the Level 4 SRO or security if after hours. And please clean the whiteboards after use. The flexible collaborative learning and teaching spaces are a significant enhancement to how classes can be conducted at Springfield and how students can work together collaboratively in their own time. We hope you enjoy the experience of using them, and we appreciate any feedback on how they can be improved.